Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to solve this exponential equation. The equation we have 3 to the power of x minus 2 is equals to x. Here we are going to find out the value of x. So let's get started the solution. Here I will going to solve this expression by two different methods. The first method I will going to use by using the Lambert W function here. So in the first step, I will going to use the exponential rule, that is a to the power of m minus n can be written as a to the power of m over a to the power of n. So this equation turns to 3 to the power of x over 3 to the power of 2 is equals to x. Now we're going to express this expression by writing in this form. 3 to the power of x times 1 over is equals to x. Now here this 3 to the power of x is multiplying, so it will going to be divide both the side, where this and this get cancelled. So the expression we'll get, that is 1 over 9 is equals to x over 3 to the power of x. I'm going to take this 3 to the power of x on the numerator plate, so I will going to write it out. 1 over 9 is equals to x times 3 to the power of negative x. Now I want to use the Lambert W function here. W bracket a times e to the power of a is equals to a. For that, I want to change that expression in this form. Something here same and in the power, and e should be there. So for that, I will going to first multiply both the side by -1. So -1 times 1 over 9 is equals to x times 3 to the power of negative x minus 1. This equation turns to -1 over 9 is equals to this turn to negative x times 3 to the power of negative x. If you can see here, this coefficient and the power is same like the Lambert W function, but we don't have this e here. For that, I will going to use logarithm property, that is e to the power of ln of a is equals to a. The same as here, e to the power of ln of 3 is equals to 3. So in replacement of this 3, I will going to write e to the power of ln of 3. Therefore, this equation turns to -1 over 9 is equals to negative x, and in replacement of 3, I will going to write e to the power of ln of 3 and whole to the power of negative x. Now this equation turns to -1 over 9 is equals to this negative x is multiplying with this inner power, so negative x and e to the power of negative x ln of 3. Now on this coefficient place, I want this ln of 3 also. So next I will going to multiply both the side by ln of 3. ln of 3 times -1 over equals to negative x times e to the power of negative x ln of 3 times ln of 3. As I'm going to solve it out, it will turn to -1 over n ln of 3 is equals to negative x. This I'm going to write with this x times e to the power of negative ln of 3. Now, if you can see here carefully, we have the same coefficient here and the power. We can apply the Lambert W function here easily, but I want to apply the Lambert W function on the left-hand side. For that, I will going to write this in this form, -3 over 27 ln of 3, and this I will going to write same as forgot to write x ln of 3. I'm going to express this expression in this form. 1 over 27 times negative 3 ln of 3 is equals to negative x ln of 3 times e to the power of negative x ln of 3. Now we have the logarithm rule, that is ln of a to the power of b can be written as b ln of a. So I will going to change this in this form, 1 over 27, and this I'm going to take this negative 3 as a power. So times ln of 3 to the power of negative 3 is equals to negative x ln of 3 times e raised to the power of negative x ln of 3. Now we're going to write this in this form, 1 over 27 times ln 1 over 27, because as I'm going to solve without this 3 10 plus 27, and I took this down, so it will turn to positive 1, is equals to negative x ln of 3 times e raised to the power of negative x ln of 3. Now, in replacement of this 1 over 27, I will going to use the logarithm property, that is e to the power of ln of a is equals to a. So e to the power of ln of 1 over 27 can be written as 1 over 27. In replacement of this, I'm going to write this. So this equation turns to the power of ln of 1 over 27 times ln of 1 over 27 is equals to negative x ln of 3 times e to the power of negative x ln of 3. Now we're going to rearrange this expression. ln 1 over 27 times e to the power of ln 1 over 27 is equals to negative x ln times ln is equals to negative x ln of 3 times e to the power of negative x ln of 3. Now we have both the side the same situation we have, so we can apply the Lambert W function here. The Lambert W function, that is W bracket a times e to the power of a is equals to a. So this left hand side, we can write this power ln 1 over 27 is equals to this negative x ln of 3. Now I will going to change this 1 over 27 in this form, 3 to the power of negative 3. So this will turn to ln 3 to the power of negative 3 is equals to negative x ln of 3. Now this equation turns to ln of 3 to the power of negative 3 is equals to negative x ln of 3. We're going to use the logarithm property. ln of a to the power of b is equals to b ln of a. So this will turn to negative 3 ln of 3 is equals to negative x ln of 3. Now here this ln of 3 is multiplying, so it will going to be divide both the side. So here this and this get cancelled, this and this get cancelled, and these signs are also going to be cancelled. So the x value we find out, that is equals to 3. So this is the x value that we find out by using the Lambert W function. Now we're going to solve it out the same expression by the second method. The expression we have, that is 3 to the power of x minus 2 is equals to x. Now I can write here 1 power, and we can compare the bases and the powers here. So 3 is equals to x. So here we get the x value, and by comparing the powers, x minus 2 is equals to 1. So I'm going to solve it out for x. X is equals to 1, positive 2 is equals to 3. So here we get the x values. So this is the way we find out the x value by two different methods. So thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel.